One voice, two people. Fred, go milk the elephant. Hey Fred, go milk that elephant over there.
Are you kidding me, Tim? You can't milk an elephant. Oh yeah? Then we make history then. Now go.
No, I ain't taking any of your stinking yin-yang. You want a piggyback ride? They're free. Sure, what the heck? What are you waiting for, you lump of dump? Get back and get on. Oh, what have you been weighing? What have you been eating? Ah, watch your feet are going. I'm an athlete. I got bruises there. Ooh. You know what? I ain't taking any of this. Get off! No! You need help? Yes! Hey, while you're down there, go milk the elephant. I said get water! Milking the elephant, milking the elephant. Ah! The elephant's got mad! Toss me the water! He's got my foot! He's got my foot! Step on his head! What? Step on the elephant's head! Step on it! Fred, yeah? You can't milk an elephant. I know.